Hello everybody and welcome to the CARBOGEN AMCIS DCAT presentation for 2021. I sincerely hope that you and all of your friends and family are keeping well and safe in these very challenging and strange times. What I'd like to talk to you about today is a little bit of colour on some of the recent investments that we've announced for our platform in Europe. These are driven predominantly by patient need as being the number one driver. A lot of our customers are seeing significant increase in patient need, and that's driving additional requirements for service capabilities, volumes, and diversity in our technology portfolio. Critically, speed is always an issue, and to enable us to maintain the speed that customers demand, these investments will be required. And of course, there's inherently a lot of customization happening now, personalized medicines, different focuses, multiple indications for small molecules, multiple indications for formulated products. These are the critical drivers that are pushing us to make these investments. Our Swiss expansion, as part of the 100 million Swiss francs we've announced to spend, is focused on small molecule API manufacturing. The facility will be built at our Hünschensville site in the northern part of Switzerland between Basel and Zurich. This facility will be focused on chemical production, small molecule API, and will be highly potent capable. This really provides us with the space to enable us to grow beyond the next 10 years, provide a sustainable future for our employees, and also provide additional capabilities for our clients. The new facility will have 4 reactor trains in the initial phases, although it'll be capable of handling 8 in the future. 4 trains, all hypo-capable as I mentioned, with 3 vessels in each, up to around about 2,500, 3,000, 4,000 litre, and the capability to do both filter drying and centrifugation in a closed, sealed GMP manner. The additional investments will also have some capabilities for things like distillation product liquid handling. This will create over 150 new jobs in the Hünschensville area, which is a very exciting thing for the local area in itself, and again shows our commitment to continue to grow our capabilities in Switzerland. We're due to start construction in October this year, 2021, of the facility, and it's due for completion in mid-2014 when we'll be ready to translate into customer projects directly. Our facility in France, in Riom, in the centre of France, we've been very successful in growing that capability over the years since we've acquired the business. We've got to a point now where the business flow drives us towards investment into later phase beyond clinical, into phase 3 and then into small scale commercial manufacture. This facility is already coming out of the ground as we speak. We started work in January 2021 of the construction of the facility. It's due to be complete in Q1 of 2023, when we'll be able to take customer projects. This facility incorporates 2 full manufacturing lines, automated, one able to do sterile liquids, one able to do sterile solids with lyophilization, and both highly potent capable at the highest possible OEL stringent capabilities. This facility will create over 60 new jobs in the area, and again is a very exciting development for us to be able to demonstrate to the community in that area that we're committed to the Riom site, and will enable us to carry on forward in investing in that business. These investments really address the long-term strategic growth for CARBOGEN AMCIS. The Swiss facility, as I said before, will cover our probable needs for at least the next 10 years, which will enable us to grow fast with the capabilities that the building will provide. The French facility will expand production capacity into commercial, really meaningful commercial scale at a niche level for the most complex molecules possible. This is really driven by meeting the market demands, which drive the customer demands, which drive the needs for us to be able to have these additional capabilities and capacities. It increases the range in our toolkit, both with technology and with capacity, as I've said before, and it provides, most importantly for us, a sustainable future for our fantastic employees and essentially the people who make all of this happen. So we're really, really proud and delighted to make these investments to support the industry and to provide that sustainable growth for our employees going forward. If anything that I've talked about today strikes a chord with you and you find interesting, then up on the screen as I finish will be the contact details of representatives who are based in all the major territories and markets from the US right the way over to Asia Pacific. And all that's left for me to say is I really look forward to seeing you all again at a DCAT soon, face to face. And please, please, please make sure that you keep safe and safe and well. Thank you very much from all of the team at CARBOGEN AMCIS and from myself. Have a good DCAT and enjoy the presentations. Thank you.